Welcome to the platform of biology with the lecture 1 of embryology. Basically, बच्चों, I want to deal with a very crucial topic of zoology. ऐसा बच्चों को लगता है या ऐसे है भी, I also accept this. Embryology का थोड़ा बहुत कंसेप्ट जो है थोड़ी सी क्रूशियल होती है, उससे मैं समझाने की कोशिश करूंगा हमारे इस lecture 1 और lecture 2 में. एक लेक्चर में नहीं करने वाला क्योंकि इट इज एन इलॉबरेट मैनर, ओके, इट्स एन इलॉबरेशन थिंग. उसको धीरे धीरे टॉपिक वाइज समझना पड़ेगा. आज मैं सिर्फ फर्टिलाइजेशन से लेकर और ब्लास्टोसिस्ट बनने तक के कंडीशन तक चलने वाला हूं. ठीक है. इट मींस द फ्यूजन ऑफ स्पर्म एंड ओवम इन द एम्ब्रियो ऑफ fallopian tube till its growth up to the condition of blastocyst. इसी बीच हम ये भी समझ लेंगे कि टॉपिक प्रेगनेंसी क्या होता है. तो हमारा इसी का एक और कंटेंट होने वाला है, एक टॉपिक pregnancy. Okay, so let's start. But I have drawn a diagram for occupying our time, not a wasting time on making a diagram. So let's see. From the stage of fertilization, it means the sperm will be fused with ova. And one thing I want to tell you about basically human ova. In case of egg of humans, they are yolkless. Yolkless. Okay. Now, when egg is fused with the sperm, there is a formation of zygote. Now, I have drawn here zygote. We know that zygote is a diploid condition. Okay. I have written here 12. Diploid to zygote. Zygote is inconsigned with the layer of zona pellucida. This red colored layer is a zona pellucida, and basically this zona pellucida is a layer of glycoprotein. This layer is made up of glycoprotein, it means glucose and protein. Okay. Now, what happens when a zygote comes from a mitotic division? Mitotic division, basically there is a minute difference between mitotic division and a cleavage division. Okay. In cleavage division, there will be no growth in an overall size, but there will be growth inside the layer of pellucida. Okay. Inside the layer of zona pellucida, there will be growth in the numbers of cells, but there will be not growth in overall size. That is the difference between cleavage division and mitotic division. So there is a special type of mitotic division which is called a cleavage division, which is going to be on a zygote, and zygote is going to form or divide into two daughter cells, and these two daughter cells are called blastomeres, and these two are equal and identical. Okay. After that, these blastomeres goes on the division and growth and comes in the stage of blastula, in which these blastomeres are now in the condition where these two blastomeres, equal blastomeres, are further growth and converted into 8 to 6 cell stage. Now these are divided into 8 to 16 cell stage, which is called marula. Okay. Now this marula stage is still now in consigned with zona pellucida, and we know that until and unless there will be a zona pellucida and the concise of zona pellucida, there will be no chance of ectopic pregnancy. Now the question arises in your mind that, sir, what is ectopic pregnancy? What is ectopic pregnancy? So beta, अगर एम्प्यूला fallopian ट्यूब में गलती से या फिर जहां पर इम्प्लांटेशन होना चाहिए वहां ना होकर किसी और जगह इम्प्लांटेशन हो जाता है अगर जाइगोट का या एम्ब्रायो का, दैट कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड ectopic pregnancy. और जब तक ये जोना पेलुसिडा की लेयर है बाहर, ये नहीं होने देंगे ectopic pregnancy. There will be a low zero probability. We can say zero probability of ectopic pregnancy until and unless there is a consign of zona pellucida. Now, when this marula stage goes on the division after the growth, these marula stage goes from a process called compaction. There is going to be a process on the marula stage which is called compaction. Because this is the compaction. Compaction is nothing new but the cells of these 8 to 16 cells in the marula stage will be divided into two cell groups, outer cell mass and the inner cell mass. Means half of the cell will go and form the outer mass and some of will be an inner mass. Like see here, this is called blastula stage, which compaction is being completed. In this blastula condition, some of these cells have formed the outer cell mass. These cells are called outer cell mass, or also known as trophoblast cells. These cells, I am talking about these ones. These are trophoblast cells. Okay, and these red colored inner cell mass, okay, which is scattered in the lumen of this blastula. Now, what happens further? These blastula condition, here there will be a formation of fluid, and due to the formation of fluid, these fluid will exert pressure on the inner cell mass and send them at one pole, at a unipole condition. Okay, they will be accumulate at one side. Now, in this further condition diagram, this fluid filled cavity, which was formed due to the pressure of this fluid on the inner cell mass, this fluid filled cavity is called blastocele. Okay, and the condition where there is a complete blastocele, that is called blastocyst condition. And we know that in the lecture we are going to understand till the condition of blastocyst. Now, what happens? This inner cell mass accumulated at one pole at one side due to the pressure of fluid filled cavity or fluid which is being produced here in between the outer cells. Now, further we will see how this blastocyst hatching, the hatching of blastocyst take place. It means the layer of zona pellucida, but there will be a layer of zona pellucida. This is the outer layer of zona pellucida. How this zona pellucida will be weakened and be ruptured, and how the outer cell mass will be come out from the zona pellucida and be implanted on the walls of endometrium. In next lecture, we will see further. I hope the concept of ectopic pregnancy, it means the pregnancy in the condition of this pregnancy, the implantation will not take place at the exact place where it should be, or it will be another further. Okay. So ectopic pregnancy में बेटा जहाँ होना चाहिए implantation वहाँ नहीं हो के स्लॉट जगह पर हो जाता है, जैसे फेलोपियन ट्यूब वगैरह में, उसको ectopic pregnancy बोलते हैं. और ectopic pregnancy की कंडीशन 0 है जब तक वो zona pellucida है. ओके, इस जोना पेलुसिडा की वजह से ही प्लांटेशन जब तक इंडोमेट्रियम की दीवार पर नहीं पहुंचते तब तक नहीं होता. कैसे अब ब्लास्टोसिस्ट आगे इम्प्लांट होगा, इसके आगे की कहानी देखेंगे हम लेक्चर नंबर 2 में. सो बी कंटिन्यू पंचोली. ओके, थैंक यू.